Alanis and welcome back to Art with Alanis. This week we are going to do pop art. Pop art began around 1950s and it started in the UK and the United States. So what it is exactly is it is art that includes things that are popular from the world around. Andy Warhol and Roy Lichtenstein are two famous pop artists. Here are some works by Andy Warhol. And here are some works by Roy Lichtenstein. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do pop art using Roy Lichtenstein's method. Here are two examples right here. To the drawing station. Before we begin, I have given you guys some sketch paper. I actually decided to cut mine in half, and I've given you guys a little thing that you can use to cut out and trace or use it as a guide. First, you're going to take a pencil and you're going to draw your letters. For this video, I'm going to do the word wow. I'm going to draw my W. Kind of want to make them a little bit closer together, but not too close. After I've drawn my letters, I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to make little boxes around the letters. This will become the box letters that you need. Now that I've got my letters, I'm going to go ahead and erase the pencil marking that is in the middle of the letters. Now before I add the color to the wow, I'm going to go ahead and do the kind of like fireworks shape on the outside. Just making triangles connected to each other. They don't have to all be the same size. Now I'm going to add lines going down like so. Now I'm going to take my black marker and outline everything that needs to be outlined. Now that you've have your outline and everything, now it's time to add color. Lichtenstein liked to use the primary colors like your red, your blue, your yellow, and he sometimes likes to use orange also. So I'm going to add the red for the wow. The blue is going to be the little firework thing, and the yellow is going to be these little lines that I've created, and the orange I'm going to add dots in between. Wow, look what I made! I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and when you make your pop art, you can do the same thing, but you can add your name in the middle instead of wow or remix or whatever. It's up to you. And also remember to be patient with yourself. Until next time, stay creative.